Welcome back to Review Mobile, your go-to source for the latest smartphone reviews. Today we're diving into the Vivo V50 Pro 2025, a sleek flagship contender that's turning heads with its premium design, advanced camera system, and cutting-edge performance design and display. The Vivo V50 Pro boasts a stunning curved-edge design with a slim profile and a frosted matte finish that feels premium in hand. It features a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate and 1.5K resolution, delivering vibrant colors, deep blacks, and ultra-smooth scrolling. With minimal bezels and an in-display fingerprint scanner, Vivo has clearly prioritized both aesthetics and functionality, performance and software under the hood. The V50 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or editing videos, this phone handles it all effortlessly. It runs on FunTouch OS 15 based on Android 15, offering a clean UI with customizable features and improved privacy controls. Camera system. One of the major highlights is the upgraded camera setup. The V50 Pro features a 50MP main sensor with OIS, a 50MP ultra-wide lens, and a 64MP periscope telephoto camera offering up to 10x hybrid zoom. On the front, a 50MP selfie camera ensures crisp and detailed shots. Low-light photography has also seen major improvements, thanks to Vivo's new AI imaging engine. Battery and charging. The phone packs a 5000 mAh battery that easily lasts a full day of heavy use. It supports 100W fast charging, juicing up the device from 0 to 100% in just around 30 minutes. Wireless charging is also available, making it convenient for users on the go. Final thoughts. The Vivo V50 Pro 2025 is a powerful, well-rounded flagship that competes confidently with the best in the market. With its stellar cameras, premium build, and top-tier performance, it's a solid pick for anyone looking to upgrade this year. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews right here on Review Mobile.